Hey Noah, do you know where a triangle is with a right angle? Can you find me one here? Guys, we're going on a hunt to find a triangle with a right angle. Do you guys see a triangle with a right angle? Oh! Hey, that...
4.
Oh,
If you extend it,
that doesn't have a corner. That's not quite a triangle. Guys, we need a triangle with a right angle so we can find the hypotenuse, only knowing 2 sides. Remember, hypotenuse is the letter C, and the other 2 sides on this degree corner. But we're still looking. Look for us too. Boys, we're looking for a right angle triangle. Come on, guys. The prize, I don't know. The prize is throwing you up in the air and catching you upside down. There you go.
No, wait, no. Once we go there, we can get a Diet Coke.
A Diet Coke there, maybe. There we go. That might work.
Okay, I'm finding one.
We're still looking for a triangle with a right angle. Why can we not find one?
What is a right angle?
A right angle is a 9. It's measured in. Oh, let me have Noah tell you.
Look, so what it's going to be, think of it on the dot. It's going to be a line, and so if you think of it as this in like in angles, if you draw this would be 2 perpendicular lines. Also, this would be 180. But a right angle is this, like right here, where just half of this meets. So that means if it, like there's 2 of this. So to find the right answer.
Yeah, kind of like a square corner. Yeah, kind of like
it
that.
Could be this.
Yep.
I was just.
It's any square corner.
So first you make a line down, then you do this.
Or if you
then
connect it,
you do
but
this.
Okay, and the corner has to be measured
It has
Measured in 90 degrees.
90 degrees and a square. Exactly.
So this.
Yeah.
We could also
hard.
find one using the scope.
Oh, look. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Try to find a right angle using the scope here.
Oh, I found one.
Where?
Okay, so if we don't do this, measures a square.
Okay, you can kind of see. Yeah, that is a square. If you take this going down this way, and then it goes out this way, and then you could pretend there was something connecting this here. Where if I were to trace this, and this could make a triangle, right? Then this corner here would be a right angle. What do you know? Woo! Here, let me see in here. Guys, let's look at the telescope. Okay, show me. Well, you found one. Where's one at?
So like if it was like straight, then if it was straight, you can like draw it doing up and you draw it doing down.
Oh, there we go. And then it connects. And then if the corner's square. Oh, do you guys see something at the top, I wonder? Check this out. I already told my class that it's you. So here, notice here, if I go, here, I'm gonna have you film. Keep filming me. All right, guys. So if you look at this roof of this shed, you can see that as I trace this up here and go all the way up to the top, that would be one side of a triangle. Going down this way would be another side of a triangle, and then going out this way would be the 3rd side of the triangle. And when you look at this, I think there's some spider webs up there. I think I'm safe though. If you look up there, now I don't have a ruler, but I could figure out if this was a 90-degree triangle if I could measure. Let's say I measured the just 2 of the sides, and as long as the 2 sides that I think are next to the corner, and I'm thinking the corner might be up at the very top of the roof, right up there. And if I measured this side, let's say that was, I don't know, let's say that was 3. This side, let's pretend that was 4. So 3 and 4, and I did 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. Hey guys, it is Mr. Ling here, and we're going to a new assignment, which is on IXL. Now, if it's not on the website yet, you're gonna go to IXL, go through Paneleap, click on any assignment, doesn't matter, and then make sure you're gonna go on the big IXL up here, the 3 letters up the top, go down to level J, and then when you're at level J, we're gonna work on something called the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is down on, let's see, it is section R. Boom, there it is. And it's R.1, all right? Now, I went over this with some of you a few days ago, but right here we have a triangle. Now, you might be using this in construction. I've actually built a table before where we had to get it fit into a corner, and we actually had to figure out the length of the hypotenuse. Mr. Lang, what's a hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is your longest side of the triangle, all right? So on here you have 3 sides of the triangle. Notice there's a side that's 12 millimeters. There's a side that's 9 millimeters. Millimeters, that's what it is, okay? And then you have a side, we don't know the length of that 3rd side, so we call it C. The hypotenuse is the longest side. The hypotenuse is also the side that's opposite of the square corner, which is called a right angle. So there's a very fancy, no, it looks fancy, but it's actually not too bad. There's a formula. I'm going to go ahead and erase these spare marks around here just to kind of clean this up a little bit. Now, there's a formula. Like I said, this formula, my pen will work, is called a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And why, right? Because they like to make things complicated. ABC just stands for the 3 sides of the triangle. With a special rule that letter C, the variable C, has to always stand for the longest side of the triangle. The longest side is the side across from the right angle or the square corner right here. What side is across from it? Well, it's C. So what you're going to then do is the sides that you know, in this case, 12 millimeters and 9 millimeters, you're just going to go ahead and put down 12. Let me change the color here. You're going to put down 12. It can go, the 12 can go under A or B. So I could also take the 12 and put it under B too, but I'm going to keep it under A. And then the other letter, we're going to go ahead and let's change this to green now. We're going to put 9 under the other letter. So 12 goes under A and 9 goes under B, and you could swap those, okay? The letter that's important is you could not put 12 or 9 under C, because C is the side that, remember, is across from the right angle, all right? And now don't forget, we have to stay true to the formula. The formula had these powers, these exponents up on the top, all right? So now with that, once you've done that, and I'll kind of make a little line here, just kind of make it a little bit neater, now you can do the math, right? 12 times 12 gives you 144. Bring down your plus sign. 9 times 9 gives you 81. Bring down your equals, and then C squared, we still don't have a number for. Well, keep doing the math. 144 plus 81. Let's do the scratch work over here in blue. We have 144. Change it back to the pen and erase that. It got kind of messy here. Sorry about that, guys. Here we go. This thing will work. 144 plus 81. 4 plus 1 gives you 5. 8 plus 4 gives you 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 gives you 2. 225. 225. And celebration. I have my answer. No, I don't, because I was looking for C. Notice here, we actually don't have C by itself. We actually, I'll use my highlighter this time. What do I have? What did I bring down every single time? I brought down this power of a 2. Well, how do I get rid of this square, this power, this exponent that wants to hang on top of the C? Well, you can undo that, and just like with equations in general, you can undo something by doing the opposite. So by undoing the square, here's what you can do. What we can do is take the square root, like that, on both sides, and the square root of 225 is going to give you 15, because 15 times 15 gives you 225. Let's say the answer was 36. Let's just pretend. Let's just pretend it was 36 equals, my pen comes back. Here we go. Equals c squared. If it had been 36, well, what's the square root of 36? In that case, the answer would have been 6, because 6 times 6. So, but of course, that was not the answer. In general, though, you just want to solve for c, and when you do that, you end up figuring out your unknown side, all right? So we'll do more in class, guys. Keep up the good work, and I am out of here.